Hello and welcome to my August Pick Your Own Course PYO promotion. The coupon, in case you want to know, is PYOAUG. Now, is there a course of mine on your wish list, but that I've never promoted to you? Or maybe you've seen a course you want to enroll in, but you're just waiting for that code? Well, today is the day. Welcome to my Pick Your Own course promotion. This is available in 3 simple steps. First of all, go to my course page. You can find it at udemy.com/user/John Colley. You can see it on the screen. Then choose one or more of my courses. Click on the course that you want to buy. Now, on that page, click on the Apply Coupon button, which you can see on the screen. And then in the box that pops up, enter PYOAUG, Pick Your Own August, in the Enter Coupon box. Then click Buy Now, and it's as simple as that. Complete your purchase and welcome to the course. Now, coupons are unlimited, but they expire at midnight, 1st of September 2020, so don't miss out, grab them while you can. And I look forward to seeing you in the course, so definitely enroll today.